Your kidneys are working hard 24/7 to filter your blood and remove waste products, toxins, and excess fluids. But did you know that what you drink can affect your kidneys? Some drinks can cleanse your kidneys from toxins and help them function at their best, while other drinks can strain your kidneys and put extra load on them, which leads to chronic kidney diseases. In this video, we are going to reveal the best 7 drinks to detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally. According to studies, these drinks are not only delicious, but also very beneficial for your kidneys and overall health. You'll be amazed by how much your kidney health can improve just by adding these drinks to your daily diet. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Water. This might seem obvious, but water is actually the best drink for your kidneys. Water is the main component of your blood, which carries oxygen and nutrients to your cells and waste products to your kidneys. Your kidneys filter your blood and remove the excess water and toxins that your body doesn't need. But when you don't drink enough water, your blood becomes thicker and more concentrated, which makes it harder for your kidneys to do their job. This can lead to kidney stones, urinary tract infections, kidney damage, and even kidney failure. Other than that, water also helps regulate your blood pressure and body temperature, which are important for kidney function. So, how much water should you drink to keep your kidneys healthy? Well, it depends on your age, activity level, climate, and health conditions. But a general rule of thumb is to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Number 2. Unsweetened green tea. Green tea is a type of tea made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, which are steamed and dried before brewing. Unlike black tea or oolong tea, green tea does not undergo oxidation, which preserves its natural color and flavor. So, how can it benefit the kidneys? Well, your kidneys can be exposed to harm from free radicals and inflammation, like any other organ in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage your cells and lead to chronic diseases. The damage caused by these free radicals to your kidney cells can lead to chronic kidney disease and its progression, which is a condition where your kidneys lose their function over time. That is where green tea comes in. Green tea can help support your kidney health by neutralizing these free radicals and lowering inflammation in your kidneys. This is because it contains a powerful antioxidant called epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. Many studies reveal that the presence of EGCG in green tea is helpful in preventing chronic kidney disease and is probably even effective in treating it. Green tea is also an astringent and diuretic, which means it can increase urine production and help flush out toxins from your body. That is not all. Green tea may also lower your risk of developing kidney stones by preventing the formation of calcium oxalate crystals in your urine. The key to making a perfect cup of green tea is to drink it unsweetened, as adding sugar or honey can negate its benefits. Try adding a cinnamon stick or a splash of lemon juice instead. The recommended amount of green tea for adults is 3 to 5 cups per day, which provides about 250 to 500 mg of catechins. Number 3. Black coffee. If you love coffee, you'll be happy to know that it is very good for your kidneys too. According to some studies, drinking black coffee regularly can reduce the risk of kidney stones and acute kidney injury. So how does that work? Let's find out. One study published in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases used genetic data from hundreds of thousands of people and found that increasing coffee intake from 1 cup a day to 1.5 cups per day reduces the risk of kidney stones by 40%. That's impressive, right? Well, that is not all. Another study by Johns Hopkins medicine researchers revealed that consuming at least 1 cup of coffee a day may reduce the risk of acute kidney injury by 15% when compared to those who do not drink coffee. The researchers suggested that coffee and caffeine may improve blood flow and oxygen use within the kidneys, which could protect them from injury and disease and keep them filtering at a higher level for a longer period of time. This is because coffee contains antioxidants and caffeine, which have anti-inflammatory and diuretic effects. However, not all coffee drinks are healthy, and if you have kidney disease, you may need to limit what you add to your coffee. Drinking black coffee instead of coffee with high potassium and high phosphorus milk or high-calorie sugary drinks will be your best bet. And like with everything, you should enjoy your black coffee in moderation and pay attention to how your body reacts to it. Some people may have a gene variant that makes them metabolize caffeine slowly, which could increase their risk of kidney dysfunction if they drink too much coffee. So consult your doctor before increasing your coffee intake. Before we continue, if you have been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 4. Low sugar smoothies. Smoothies can be a great way to get some fruits and vegetables into your diet, which can provide you with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Smoothies can also fill you up and satisfy your sweet tooth without adding too many calories. But if you're not careful, smoothies can also be high in sugar, potassium, phosphorus, and calories, which can harm your kidneys. To make a kidney-friendly smoothie, start with unsweetened Greek yogurt and low-fat milk as the base. Add some fresh or frozen berries, such as blueberries or strawberries for flavor and color, and sprinkle some hemp or flax seeds for extra plant-based protein. These berries are not only delicious, but also beneficial for your kidneys, as they are packed with antioxidants that fight against free radicals in your body. Other than that, strawberries and blueberries are low in oxalate and high in citrate, which is another substance that can prevent kidney stones. Citrate can bind with calcium in your urine and prevent it from forming crystals with oxalate. Number 5. Unsweetened cranberry juice. Cranberries are a type of berry that grows in North America and Europe. They are well known for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, which can damage your kidneys if left untreated. Cranberries contain compounds called proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract. A study published in Food and Function in 2019 suggested that cranberry supplementation could reduce the risk of urinary tract infections by 32% in chronic kidney disease patients. This can lower the risk of kidney damage and scarring caused by infections. Another benefit of unsweetened cranberry juice is that it can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to chronic kidney disease progression. As you can see, cranberry juice has many potential benefits for kidney health, according to studies. However, before you start drinking it regularly, you should consult your doctor or dietitian first. Cranberry juice may not be suitable for everyone. You should also limit your intake to no more than half a cup per day. Number 6. Lemon water. Lemon water is simply water with the juice of fresh lemons squeezed into it. You can drink it hot or cold, depending on your preference. Some people like to add a bit of honey, sugar, or salt to balance the sourness of the lemons. So how does lemon water help your kidneys? Well, lemon contains citric acid, which can help prevent kidney stones from forming by increasing the EH in urine volume, which dilutes the concentration of waste products in your urine. This way, lemon water helps your kidneys cleanse your blood and eliminate toxins from your body. Other than that, lemon water also helps hydrate your body and provides vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage caused by free radicals. To make lemon water, squeeze half a lemon into a glass of water and drink it first thing in the morning or throughout the day. Just keep in mind that the acidity of lemon juice can damage the enamel of your teeth and make them more sensitive and prone to cavities. To prevent this, you can drink lemon water through a straw, rinse your mouth with plain water after drinking it, or brush your teeth with fluoride toothpaste. Now we want to hear from you. Do you drink some of these drinks regularly? Do you have other healthy drinks you want to share with us? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.